How to resolve Cricut mat feeding problem. Let the machine rest. Step 1, press the power button to turn off the machine. Step 2, unplug the power cord from the machine. Step 3, let the machine rest for about 10 minutes. Step 4, plug the power cord back into the machine. Step 5, turn on the machine. Step 6, then check and see if the error is resolved. Check the roller bar. Step 1, with the machine powered on, press the load button and check if the roller bar is loose. Step 2, if the roller bar is loose or damaged, you need to take a photo or video and contact member care. Step 3, next, check the rubber roller and the star wheels. Step 4, if the rubber roller has become loose, you can move each star wheel close to the rubber roller to keep it in place. Step 5, then grab a tape and wrap it around the roller bar next to the star wheel by simply turning the machine on. Step 6, now go ahead and try to load the mat into the machine and see if it works. Perform a hard reset. Step 1, press the power and the arrow buttons at the same time for 5 to 15 seconds. Step 2, the power button will turn solid red and the arrow button will turn solid white. Step 3, unplug the machine from the power source, then plug it back in after 2 seconds. Step 4, turn on the Cricut machine. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.